Haka jingtur sha office Deputy Commissioner Haklirian daki seng bhalang bagentup ke Jantia National Council ke Jantia Student Union lambat ki paidbah nong rep ki banopo ilaka nong kli ki bor pulit ke East Jantia Hills District kimla shuh ban tehlakam yo paidbah hadu kaladan ke jingya kru hapedeng ki bor pulit bat ki paidbah hadu baki paidbah ki layo ban rungpok shapo office UDC shuh kalami ru kasur na ki nong rep bat na ki seng bhalang kabalaong bat keno ba menteri rangba ke jela o Conrad sangma o sembut menteri rangba o bas nyau bhalang dhar kidan kti lang bat ke Shree Cement Company bat kila shuthom da ka bor ya ka hok jang ki paidbah nong rep ki ba jurap juryang halom sherman ha ilaka nong kle
What is happening at present, we have seen like the main concern is to take the land by force. And we have just received information from the resident of the Ilaka Nongkle. Some of the landowner, they have been paid their land with a check, and when they try to collect the money, the check bounce. So it's not just trying to take the land by force. We can say this is a fraud case also. So if the CM wants this land, because all is under the hand of the CM, maybe he is now aware of all this what happening in East Jantia, because we have staged a protest in the city, also in the heart of the city. The CM know clearly about all these things, but our question is why our CM remains silent. If this is the company of CM, we would like to request him to take it to Garo Hills and do whatever you want. But here in East Jantia, you should respect the landowner and the rights of our people. But if you don't respect our people, and we also in future, we won't show any respect to your party.
And it is the same